All right, we're in downtown LA. Wasn't a really good view of it. Can't really see it, but anyway. This building was built in 1904. And originally it was, I think, 16 units, and then they converted it to 24. And this is, the unit I'm in is the last unit of the building. But when they converted it, they added more down this way. And so the plumbing in here is just squirrely as can be. So this is the hot line right here. And it runs across. I cut it out right here, but it ran right through here. And then it tees over to the unit next door. And this wall hung sink, this was right here. So all these years, the hot was on the right, the cold was on the left. This is the cold, which is piped from next door. So everything's screwy right here. So what we're doing is I'm gonna unsweat this, put a 90, run a 90 over, put a T right here, and then run some copper down and then stub out. And then I'll just 90 down and stub out. So we're remodeling this unit as well as 4 other units in this building. So they'll be a little off center of the drain, but that's okay. We'll have new cabinets and should work. Should be all right. I think, I hope. All right. So now they're not backwards. Craig's going downstairs to turn on the water. That's our job for today.